How to unblock someone on YouTube. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on YouTube. Now let's get started. First we need to open our YouTube app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here we need to find settings and tap on it. In the appearance menu just tap on history and privacy. Now we need to find option blocked contacts and click on it. And just wait. Now you will see the list of blocked people and you can just unblock them here. And that's all. It was how to unblock someone on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.